Welcome food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will share with you my favorite crunchy crust bread recipe. It is also known as tiger bread or Dutch crunch bread. The technique is very simple and the crust is simply the best. Combine in a bowl of an electric mixer or in a large bowl the yeast with water, milk and sugar. Stir a little bit with a spatula and let the yeast activate for about 5 minutes. Add in the olive oil and 2 cups of flour. Using a dough hook attachment or a wooden spoon in case you don't have a mixer, mix all ingredients until the dough comes together. Add the salt and another cup of flour. We will add the flour gradually in order to have a better result. The 4th cup of flour and then the 5th one. Sprinkle some flour on a working surface and transfer the dough. Knead a little bit in order to give it an elastic texture. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in a clean bowl and transfer the dough. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise for about 1 hour until doubled in size. Once ready, transfer the dough on a well-floured surface and divide it in 2 equal balls. Line the baking sheet with parchment paper and add the dough balls. Cover them with a kitchen towel and let them rest for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the Dutch crunch topping. Combine in a medium bowl the warm water, the sugar and whisk a little bit. Add the yeast and the olive oil and also half of the rice flour. Add the salt and then add the remaining flour, whisking continuously until the mixture has a spreadable texture. Coat each loaf with the mixture and using your fingers apply a thick layer in order for the bread to crack. Bake the bread in the center of the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Let the bread cool before slicing. Look at this crust. It's simply the best, believe me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget that happiness is homemade. With love, Adnana.